Often when we come out of India, we have big dreams. And obviously, leaving that comfort zone and leaving family and friends behind is a big compromise that we take as expats while coming to Germany. And the reason why we come is mostly because to have a better prospect of life, to earn better in the country. In many cases, what we experience after a while is that career growth in Germany could be quite slow. And in many cases, this could be by choice because people do not want to take on more stress. But in many cases, this is not. And if you are one of those professionals, then this video is for you, because in this video, I'll tell you 5 ways of how you can increase your earning potential and reach up to a mark of 120,000 euros. That is approximately 1 crore in INR. So without further ado, let's start this video. Hi, my name is Gaurav, and for the past 10 years, I've been living in Germany. I've been through a lot of careers, I've changed a lot of companies, and I've gained a lot of experience. And from that experience, I'm going to share 5 key points of how you can increase your earning potential in Germany. So number 1 is choosing the right career. So targeting the right industries could be a make and break here. While some industries can be very creative and passion driven, but on the other hand do not pay well, while others could feel a bit dry and complicated, but yet can pay you a lot. You could be in a wrong industry for a lot of years and lose all those years where you could have had a gradual increment in your salaries. So it's important to know from the beginning which key industries pay you higher. And these could be medical, it could be IT, it could be finance, management consulting, but you need to know. And how would you know this? By exploring careers, by talking to people, by networking through people you know or people you feel are already high earners. These are the people who can guide you through which sectors are actually paying well. And while a lot of careers are passion driven, but what I have seen is usually because a lot of people want to go in and work in these sectors, they often pay you less over time. And in many cases, the highly technical jobs, which might feel a little daunting or dry in many cases, end up paying a lot more and giving you that future security and financial freedom what you're looking for. So that said, number 2 is leveraging the right degrees and right skill sets. Now, when you come to Germany, in many cases, you would come as a student. As a student is also often the easiest way to enter the country. While coming as a student, there is always a choice of which industry do you want to get into. It could be that you have a couple of years of experience and you want to pursue a master's in that same field. Now, this is very important because it could be that you were in a sector where the salaries are often low. And while you are applying and prepping up for a master's, you can try to switch and pivot your career and do a master's maybe in that degree, which can slightly increase your chances of getting a higher salary and reaching this 6-figure salary mark faster. Now, why I'm saying masters is important is because usually to get a job directly without any experience or degree, it's very hard. So anyhow, when we choose to come to Germany, we are coming for a better future and better career. Why not get into a degree that makes more sense, which is higher in demand, which is paid much better? And these degrees often show you results very quick. So gradually over years, you would see that sectors like IT, finance, medical, they would end up paying you a lot more over other sectors. Yeah. So I would suggest try to get degrees in fields which are high paying. Like you can go for a IT project management degree, or you could go for an MBA where you can pivot your career into management consulting or finance. And it could be that you are coming with 4 or 5 years of experience, but after the degree, you might have to start as a junior position. Nevertheless, if you are into a high-paying sector, it could be that you can grow even faster compared to that if you have been in the same career for next 10-15 years. So definitely make note of this. Third point is exploiting the right demand and specialization. First, there was a trend of being a front-end developer or a back-end developer. Then there was a trend of specializing in cloud computing. Then came IoT, Internet of Things, and now it's AI. What you can see from all of these, that it's always a good idea to jump into newer technologies. And why I'm saying this is because newer technologies come with newer opportunities, more demand, and less supply of people. And this is where you can enter, because this is a kind of a gap in the industry, and this can give you a leverage. So if you choose to learn these newer technologies, then you can come and fill those gaps which are prevailing in the industry currently. And people are always seeking for these newer technologies because it's harder to find specialized professionals in these. So try to exploit that demand and try to do a specialization in a field where the demand exists. And currently, these could be AI, data science, or some other specialized engineering which you can leverage. So while doing masters, maybe targeting such specializations can increase your chance of getting higher salaries when eventually you apply for jobs. And not only your chance of increasing the salaries, but also the probability of getting a jobs become extremely higher. Fourth is eventually always aim for a higher management or leadership roles. People often get shy when they try to come to Germany, do their masters, or try to apply even from India for a lot of jobs. They tend to undervalue themselves for some reason, and I don't know why. Many of them come with a lot of experience, a lot of good skills, a lot of specialized skills, but they would not apply for such leadership or higher management roles because they feel kind of undervalued, or they feel that, oh, I'm not good enough. But in many cases, I always encourage everybody to apply for leadership roles, apply for higher management positions, because this is a sure shot way of reaching a six-figure very fast. Now, you could either get into such higher positions from the beginning if you have enough experience and skills, or eventually you can plan your career accordingly that you can reach these higher management roles faster. How could you do this? By leveraging management degree, or by getting into a position which can lead you to a management degree faster. And this could be true for positions like chief of staff, where you work very closely with the management and learn a lot of things, or strategic consultant. And it could be an associate or a coordinator in the beginning, but eventually you can get promoted to get these higher positions. And such job roles can turn into an unfair advantage over time for you, because if you are into a strategic position, this would mean that your chances of getting into a leadership position of a higher stature are higher. And this would mean that your ultimate goal of getting a higher salary would be very close. Now, it's not all hunky-dory. And maybe in one of the next videos, I'll talk about what could be disadvantages of this. But for this video, to reach a six-figure 1 CR salary, this could be a pivotal career point for you. Last and fifth point is working as a freelancer. Now, what I have observed is that in Germany, freelance consultants often demand a higher wage. They earn 25% more on an average than any employed in the same sector or field. And they also get a lot of tax benefits for this, because any of the equipments or traveling costs can then be reduced from their taxes. While they do earn a lot more than the normal employed people, however, it's not easy to get into this, because working in Germany as a freelancer would mean that you need to have good German skills to navigate through the bureaucratic paperwork, whether that be with registering your business, or to dealing with Finanzamt, or to deal with the clients you would be getting in Germany. Nevertheless, you can target more international clients who are based in US or in other countries, and still charge that premium for your services which you are selling. Just to give you a rough ballpark figure, Any freelance consultant with 5+ years of experience can easily earn 120,000 euros plus. If you have a skill in demand with you, especially if you're working on a very specialized project or working with the leadership roles, this becomes very achievable. And this is in extreme high demand if you're working in tech or IT, because I have personally seen a lot of people doing freelance projects in these sectors and earning a lot. So to conclude this video, for sure, if you want to earn 1 crore salary in Germany or 120,000 euros around in Germany, I would say it's difficult, but definitely possible. You just need to pivot your career in a way that you are targeting more in direction of high demand skills, high paying sectors, which will make it very much achievable. Secondly, keep learning and keep networking, especially with those people who are in the job roles which you would like to have in the future. And lastly, with this big salary also comes huge responsibilities. The job becomes very demanding. It might also require a lot of working hours and high expectations from higher management. So also be prepared for this. And that's it for this video. If you like to know more about career in Germany, you can click on one of our playlists here. And if you want to know that which kind of job roles are in high demand in Germany, then you can click on one of our videos here. For doubts and feedbacks, please feel free to write them in the comment section below. Till then, that's Gaurav. Auf Wiedersehen.